Good morning, Andreas Cooper here from Future Systems. This is, beside me, the LIFX Smart Switch. We're thrilled to have this here in New Zealand. There is not many available at all, and they're all mostly on pre-orders, and stock is very limited. So the fact that I have one in my house, I am lucky. This is an incredible switch that works really well with LIFX products. So physically, you have these 4 buttons hardwired to physical lights. But on this bottom button, I also have a scene control, so I can control a preset scene with LIFX products. So for example, on and off control with these buttons, haptic feedback, and it feels really great. Gloss finish, installation is very simple. It's a switch, it's a light switch, so installation's nothing out of the ordinary. Connect it to the LIFX app and then you're away. Especially if you have LIFX products, you can do a lot of scene control. Which is called soft touch. So for example, this button here is not physically wired to any lights, it is controlling a scene. But I'll show you a bit of voice control. I'll change the downlights that I have here above me, and then I'll show you this soft touch functionality with the LIFX Smart Switch. Hey Google, set kitchen red.
Okay, changing 4 lights to red.
Hey Google, set kitchen green.
Alright, changing 4 lights to green.
So those there are the LIFX downlights that I have here. What I'll be able to do now with the LIFX switch is when I push this bottom button here, this is the soft touch functionality. So this is controlling a preset scene. So I'll push this here, watch with me, I'll push this and you'll see the lights change to that preset scene. So that's soft touch, that's wireless, that's going down to 40% and a warm white light, as you can see there. Great functionality when I come down in the morning, for example, if I don't want it really bright, I can come in, press this to the preset scene I want. And again, I can change that. I could have that colors, I could have that whatever I wanted, whatever dimming percentage I wanted. And that is the soft touch functionality of the LIFX downlight switches. You of course have all the app control, the voice control, and the physical control now with the LIFX switch. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for more. Cheers.